Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is handling pop-ups and new tabs. Pop-ups and new tabs are common in real applications. In Playwright, we don't switch windows like Selenium. We need to capture the new page. In Playwright, a new tab or pop-up is created as a new page inside the same browser context. The correct way is to wait for the new page event, trigger the action, capture the child page, interact, and then close it if needed. If you click first and then try to find the new page later, you may miss it and the script becomes flaky. So the rule is listen first and then apply the click. If you see here, first I am listening, then I am clicking. I will click. Okay. So that is the rule. Here in the sample script, first clicking the link opens a new tab. Here if you see, clicking this link opens a new tab. But before that, I start listening for the new web page event. Now I click on the link. The click triggers the pop-up and the playwright returns the new page object. Now I use the child page, which is here, the child page. I will use this child page and print the title of that particular page, which confirms we are on the new tab. After the action is done, I will close the child page using the close async method here. Now I continue on the parent page. This is stable because we captured the new page at the right time. So I will run the script, then you will have better understanding. First, we will open the Cogmento login page. Then we will click on the sign up page button. Once we click on the sign up button, then a new pop-up is thrown. If you see, a new pop-up is thrown. That title of that pop-up is printed here. If you see, child title is signed into your account and it is closed also. Okay, if I press enter, application will be closed. So first, what we have done, we were listening for the new page event, which will happen after the click. So we started listening here, then we clicked on that particular sign up button. Once we clicked on sign up button, the child page is created using the new page task. Then we try to print the title of the child page. Once we printed the child page title, we can do any other operations also, like we can enter username, password in that child page, and then proceed with the closing the child tab. For demo purpose, I only printed the title. So I will close the child page using the close async method. Till here, the browser was not closed, only the tab is closed. So now I am closing the browser also here. So in Playwright, pop-ups and new tabs are just pages. Capture the page first, then interact. So the rule is again, listen first and then click.